Welcome back. This is Shirley Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers, and thank you for the new viewers for stopping by the channel. This channel where we talk about my top stocks, and tonight we're going to talk about SOFI. I know time is your biggest asset, and it's very important to you, so I'm not going to waste a lot of it. Okay, so we're on Super Bowl 2022 Eve. Super Bowl 56, and it's going to be at SOFI Stadium. So that is awesome. That's a lot of promotion this week for SOFI. SOFI Stadium is the new stadium in Los Angeles, California. And the Rams and the Bengals will be playing here. It's pretty exciting. Here it is, Super Bowl, SOFI Stadium, the home of the Rams and the Chargers, and they will be playing the Bengals for Super Bowl 56. So we're on the eve of Super Bowl 56. But we also have some other good news. SOFI stock itself, SOFI Technologies stock on the day is up 3.50% on the day. So that is great news. SOFI is picking up steam. If we take a look at TipRanks, TipRanks has SOFI Technologies based on 10 Wall Street analysts in the next 12 months. The average price target should be $20.30. So within the next 12 months, the stock could go to $20.30. And we saw a slight pop today from $11 to $12. So that was great news for SOFI Technologies. Again, there will be a lot of promotion for SOFI Technologies as we lead up to the Super Bowl, since it will be hosted at SOFI Technology Stadium. And there's a lot of great news pumping out. We also have, in 2 or 3 weeks, on March 1st, we have SOFI's conference call to discuss Q4 2021. So it'll be the first earnings call of the year. Here it is, Eastern Standard Time. March 1st will be the earnings call for SOFI Technologies. So that's where they tell about how much revenue they had coming in, how much profit, how much margin they had, and basically the leadership, the CEO, will talk about what the goals are for the next quarter. And the Wall Street analysts, they have their estimates of what they expect the revenue or earnings to be. And if the company exceeds it, the stock should shoot up further than it currently is, okay? So we have SOFI Technologies that will report on March 1st. So we still got about 3 weeks for earnings to be reported. As you can see, I own SOFI Technology. I bought it back when it was about $18. I'm trying to get my cost price down to $12. So I'll be buying some more this week. But SOFI Technologies, again, today was up at $3.50. And again, it has a price target of $20.30. Now, we can see that SOFI has accomplished many things since the last 6 months when the stock was trading at roughly $22 per share. So SOFI has a lot of upside to it. If we take a look at what's going on, it says, here's why SOFI banking chart could be a game changer. This was reported just about 3 days ago on February 6th. Says the FinTech disruptor SOFI has officially received regulatory approval to become a bank. So this is great news. SOFI received a bank charter. So all of these events are adding up to be a great day for SOFI when they report on March 1st. And this is reported on Motley Fool. SOFI, if it had not been for the ticker SOFI, the mobile first FinTech platform is officially becoming a bank. They had entered agreement with Golden Pacific Bank Corp, and I think that's based near Jason to live in California. So that's great news. SOFI basically acquired a bank prior to the bank charter, and then officially about 2 weeks ago, they got approval for a bank charter. So officially they are a bank. Whereas there's other fintechs like Robinhood, they are not a bank, okay? So SOFI has approval from the US government to be a bank. So that is awesome news. That means they can write more loans and they don't have to go through another bank to get those loans approved, okay? So SOFI is a bank now, okay? So the stock is trading, like I said, right now at $12.13, but it still has a price target of $20.30. So there's a lot of upside for SOFI, even if we're, quite optimistic and we say SOFI can move up $3 or $4. That still will be a nice jump on the stock. That could be a 20% jump on the stock. Okay, so SOFI could still get to $15, $16. I think SOFI is fairly cheap at $12.13. Also, if we go to Seeking Alpha, it says SOFI Super Bowl could trigger a short squeeze. Now, what does this mean? Right now, there is many hedge funds shorting the stock of SOFI. There's a lot of hedge funds putting pressure on the stock to force it down, to keep it under $20, keep it under $12 per share. And if this stock gains enough momentum, this stock could get pushed in the opposite direction, okay? So that would mean all the shorts would have to cover the stock. So we're building up momentum as we approach the March 1st earnings call. This will be a great branding and marketing opportunity this Sunday for the Super Bowl. So it says here, SOFI reached under 3 million total users in Q3 of 2021 and will surely surpass 3 million mark in March's Q4 2021. SOFI got its bank charter approved, as we just discussed, and the Super Bowl will be played at SOFI Stadium and help drive a lot of attention to users for the company. Also this week, SOFI announced that they're actually going to be doing margin. So prior to this week, they weren't offering margin on their brokerage account, but this week they will be offering margin as well. Also, if you decide to bank with SOFI, they will be offering a 1% interest on those accounts. So there's a lot of things set up for SOFI, as this article said, to explode in 2022. With all the Super Bowl exposure, this thing could take off. This marketing and everything during the Super Bowl can lift the stock even higher. So the article goes on to say, as I mentioned earlier, SOFI will report Q4 earnings on March 1st, and all signs point to another strong quarter that maintains the same momentum from Q3 of 2021. Okay, from Q3 2021, membership grew 96% year over year and achieved 4 straight quarters of year over year user growth. Okay, so as you can see from this chart, SOFI is growing year over year exponentially. So this is great news for SOFI. Let's see if all the marketing and all the news and momentum translates to a stock pop. This would be great, this stock to head back to the $20 per share range. And the catalyst could be the Super Bowl, the bank charter, and also the earnings coming up on March 1st, okay? And again, Wall Street wants to hear more active users and projected more active users moving forward. SOFI is offering a lot of products and services. Remember, SOFI offers loans for car loans, student loan, jumbo loans. I actually got approved for a SOFI loan for student loan refunds for over $25,000. So SOFI is a great bank. Like I said, they have a lot of momentum going into this earning call. They have over 3 million total users as of Q3. They got the bank charter approved. And of course, all the marketing and branding will be on display this week for the Super Bowl. Super Bowl 56 could cause a short squeeze. And that could trigger the stock to go in the reverse direction from $12 a share to $18, $20 a share. We don't know. Sometimes when these stocks surge, they go up 10, 20%. We don't know, okay? But there's a lot of pressure on the stock right now to go in the opposite direction. And the Super Bowl could be the trigger that causes this stock to explode, okay? So this is Seeking Alpha. Also, you have Investors Place. SOFI Technology stock is begging for a bottom. And as I mentioned, the stock has been trailing here, right here, February 2nd, February 4th, as low as $11.89. I can't believe it. This company is making all the right moves, but right now we have a situation where Wall Street wants to see earnings and revenue. They don't care about the hype. They want to know exactly what's going on in the books in terms of numbers. And so we have some optimism here. If you go to TipRanks, there's 7 buy on the stock, there's 3 hold, and there's no selling, okay? So this is a good sign for SOFI. The SOFI Technologies, again, has a 12-month price target of $20.30 and a high price target of $28, okay? So we're looking for the trigger to be the SOFI weekend at the Super Bowl, some branding and marketing to pull in or market to more new users for more activations. And then we're looking for March 1st on the Q4 earnings of 2021 to talk about the results of how much they made for the quarter and how much they think they're going to make for 2022. So this was just my quick cover on SOFI Technologies. Again, the stock was up over 3.56% on the day. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.